Welcome to the tutorial number 3. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the basic movement of the object around the workspace. So I've created a new file. By default, as I told you, we have the cube here. Let me tell you how to move this cube around this workspace. So to move around, you have to press the key G for go. Press G and then just move around by dragging your mouse. You can see the object is moving around. So if you want, you can just make a click over there to leave it in that place. If you don't want, just press escape. It'll come back to the original position. All right, now as I told you, we have 3 axes here. Green is for the Y, blue is for the Z, and red is for the X. Now how to move this object around any of these axes specifically? Same, press G for move, and which axis you want to go. Lock the axis by pressing that particular letter. For example, I want to lock the x-axis movement, just press X. So you can see the line is drawn over the workspace. That means your object can move only in that axis. So that is the x-axis now. Since the object is in perspective view, you see the object is going smaller towards inside, and when it's coming outside, you see the object is bigger. Right, that's the x-axis movement. I do the same thing for y-axis. Press G and then Y. The object moves on the y-axis. You can see the green color around there. That's the y-axis. Now I do the same thing. G and then Z. It moves only on the z-axis. So that's how you should lock the axis and move the object in a specific direction or axis. Right, I have pressed escape so that the object remains at the origin. All right, now if you have a trackpad in your mouse, you can always use zoom in and zoom out, just like any other zoom in zoom out, or you can use a scroll wheel in your mouse to zoom in and zoom out. So that's one way of moving the workspace entirely. Or I'm just holding the shift key to just highlight the axis available. Okay. Right, that's how it's moving. Alright, so that's the end of the tutorial. The next tutorial I'll tell you how to create objects and then scale it up and down and then move it around, including the camera.